Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. So here we go. So here's my simple spreadsheet, right? So I have my my row here with the titles of each columns. Then I have my column here with that I need to have on the left side. Hope that makes sense. Anyway, so now if you're familiar with this, when you're entering data, lots of data, and let's say you have to scroll down the spreadsheet, or if you may have to go across, right, you may lose the headers and you may lose the that top row where you have the names of the titles, and the left bar we need to have that information so you can know exactly what follow throughs and things like that, right? So what I'm going to show you today, like I said at the start of the video, I'm going to show you how to freeze this first row with the name of the columns, and the left this first column with the names of the rows. All right, so let's do that. There are two ways you could do it, okay? So the easy, simple way, well, both ways are quite easy, right? So the first way, we have this box here to the extreme left. And you will see here around the box there is a dark gray border around this box, okay? So if we want to freeze the column, I will just drag across like this, and I'll stop right there. As you can see here now, there's a dark gray line right after where I stopped, right? So you could spread this to whatever column you want to, maybe column B, C, whatever you want to do, but this is how you do it to freeze that particular column. So let me just go across so you could see how it works. So if I continue to enter data, this column will remain there. So at least I will know exactly when I'm entering my data what that column applies to. All right, so let's do the same thing now for the row, because most times when I'm doing data entry like this, I like to have both the column and the row to be frozen, right? So this time we're going to pull down on the bottom part of the cell. So I'm going to pull it down under the row, first row, and you will see also that dark gray line under the row. So if I go down, I don't really have much data below, but as you see here, this row 19 and 20, you will see I have the header right there, so I can see exactly what this column is about, and I have my side bar there too as well when I go across. So everything is stationary, so at least I could go ahead and do my data entry with ease. Alright, so I will just click quickly, or if you want to unfreeze those columns and rows, you just basically pull back that line, just like how we started. This time we're going to pull it back, and you see the line is no longer dark again, and I'm going to pull up this one. Alright, so there we're good to go. So let me just show you again. If I come down to column 19, you see it has disappeared already, so it's no longer there. All right, okay, so the other way you could do this is we go into view. I'm going to go freeze, actually position my cursor where I would like to have the information frozen. So I'll click position my cursor there, and I'm going to go into view, and I'm going to go across to, I'm going to say we're going to freeze row number 1. Well, let's see, I have the different options. Let me go back in again. So we're going to go to view, and we have no rows, as if you want to unfreeze everything. Row number 1, row number 2, up to current row. Well, at least the options are there. Okay, let me just come out from there, and you can see again the dark gray line is there. So this row number 1 is frozen. So you can see there that row number 1 is frozen. The dark gray line is underneath the first row. Let me just show you again. Scroll down. There you can see it has been frozen, row number 1. Okay, so let me make it simple. I will go into view and on freeze that, going to freeze and no rows, and the line is no longer there. So I'm going to freeze the column to the left, the first column. So I'm going to position my cursor on this side, and we're going to go into, let's see how that works, view, freeze, and we're going to freeze column 1. Okay, all right, so we have the dark line here again. So let me go across so you can see how that works. All right, as I go across to more on my spreadsheet, this as you can see here, that column has frozen. Quite simple. All right, folks, let me just go back to unfreeze that so you can see how easy it is. Going to view, freeze, and I'm going to say no columns. And that's it. All right, so that's how you freeze your columns and rows in Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, please leave a message for me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to facilitate you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.